Tired of that Uber Cash just sitting in your account when you could be using it for something way more exciting? First things first, open your Uber app. This is where the magic happens, or, where we access your funds. Make sure you're logged in, obviously. Next, tap on the menu icon. Usually, it's located in the top left corner, or it might be your profile picture in the upper right corner. Give it a tap. Okay. Now look for wallet, payment, or something similar in the menu. It's usually towards the top. Tap on that, and you should see your Uber Cash balance displayed prominently. Here's the catch: Uber doesn't directly offer a cash-out option, so you won't find a withdraw button waiting for you. Bummer, right? The main intention for the cash is for you to use it for Uber services, like rides or Uber Eats. So use your Uber Cash for a ride, or maybe treat yourself to a delicious meal with Uber Eats. And that's it. While you can't directly transfer your Uber Cash to your bank, you can definitely enjoy the perks and convenience of using it for Uber rides and food deliveries. Hope this helps clear things up. If you found this useful, give us a like and subscribe for more helpful Uber tips and tricks.